How to turn on vibration on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you want to turn on vibration on iPhone, then what you can do is to head over to the settings of your iOS device. So just click on the settings right here, and then from in there you can see a lot of things. So what you need to click on is just scroll down, and then you can see this sounds and haptics. So basically Apple calls vibration as haptics, so just click on this sound and haptics again, and then from in there you can see this options right here. So you can just click on this vibrate on ring and make sure that this is enabled. So let's click on it. So once it has turned green, then that just means that vibration has been turned on. So make sure that this turn on and ring and also on silence. So no matter if your phone is silent or on ring, it will vibrate. So from in there again, you can also scroll down and you can also see this keyboard clicks right here. Make sure that this is also turned on, so on each click of your keyboard, it will vibrate. The next thing that you can do is just click on this system haptics right here. So let's click on it. And in here, once you have clicked on that, any normal thing that you can do on your iPhone will vibrate. Like for example, you just click on this right here, it will vibrate. Or if you click on anything like this back button right here, it will also vibrate. Or just click on this again, it will vibrate. All of the things that you have been doing on your iOS device will vibrate. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to turn on vibration on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.